usually this is before the class. So the students do some activities like playing the engineering, and we have some engineering here like making puzzle, timer, make puzzle, pixie cube, IQ puzzle, and in this LP there is the list of students engineering rotation. So the students will do their part every week, and it will change every week. So one students will not just play in one engineering. In example, like students A not only just play logic puzzle. For next week, they will move to the other kinds of engineering.
Oh, this is like warmer, yeah?
Yeah, it's warmer before we start the lessons.
Okay.
After the class food.
So this is about transportation. So this is the material for this week?
No, it's like a list. We have a list for mastery song that we have made. So we just follow the lyrics and we just follow the guideline. So this is the line of our mastery songs for this week: transportation song and to the start.
This singing, yeah?
Yes.
But for next week you will change, not
every week will change this.
So the material is about this.
What material is
for this week? For this week that you have delivered or that you are gonna deliver to the students. What is the material?
Material. The topic of in what lessons? We have another lesson, right?
Okay, so here like sounds great.
Sounds great. For this week we learn about unit grah, brah, and frah.
What is that?
Grah is sounds from like grah in, green, brah in.
Sounds like?
For this week, not for next week.
For this week first.
Yeah, for this week first, right?
Grah.
Sounds of grah, brah, and frah.
Okay, so start from grah. What is that? An example.
Grah is an example like grah in, grade. The word is grade. Grah old crow. Grah egg crab.
Crab.
Yeah, crab.
Like CR, like that.
Yeah, CR, but they spell it's not CRAB. They spell by the sounds.
Grah, by the sound.
Yeah, we combine the letter CR, we combine and they spell it like grah from phonics list.
Okay. So the sound, yeah.
Yeah, the sounds.
So has the book provide about some examples like that, or maybe you add again from other sources?
If we have other sources, we have additional work. We can add for them. We can give to them. But if you want to just follow the books, that's okay because the books has provide some words of each sounds.
Okay. So this week will be three sounds. What is the first, Miss?
Grah, CR, grah, brah, BR, brah, and frah. And R.
Okay.
R, frah.
So how many examples for each did you give to them, Miss?
In every sounds they have, for example, it means if we combine there are 12 words they
12 divided by 3.
Yeah,
so it means that one sound
3 sounds 4 words.
Oh, 3 sounds 4 words.
Every sound one sound
because
4 words.
This is there are 3 sounds, right? For this.
Yeah, 3 sounds. From first sounds like grah they have 4 words, brah they have 4 words, and frah they have 4 words.
Yeah, I understand that. So 12 words divided by 3 becomes for each 4 words.
Yes,
each
words.
So for next week, what sound again is?
Blah. Blah.
Yeah, so this is for next week, yeah.
Blah, blah, Meisya.
Oh, okay. So still say you will introduce this first, yeah, and then you will explain to them, and then you show how to say that.
We try to play the track first. Because they have to
like how
in the book they have audio. The applications. There is an application that we can play, so they can follow the authentic sounds. So after we play the track, after I play the track, then I will ask them to repeat again what word is that, how to mention the words, and then like giving some example sentences. Then they will classify. They classify like what kind of word that have in example.
For example, like glass, right?
Yeah.
What is that? Is it blood or what?
Yeah. So they will decide what sounds that is blur or blur.
Okay. How many times do you repeat this for the track or for the video?
For the
Do you have any like
times enough.
2 times is
Yeah,
enough.
2 times enough because we have another activity, so we have to catch all the time. So we have to participate. If we just like stay in that track, we cannot catch activity books, we cannot catch students book because every book they have like activity parts. So they have field and
For each material or for each topic, yeah.
for each page actually, for each page. So an example like this, right? Student books page 22 and until 25. Start from 22 until 25. They have an activity in this
For each of the
pages. So we have trained the students to fill in because so when we just focus on the track only, I believe that it will not catch the time.
So how if the student hasn't understood?
Yeah, we have to guide them. Go to the table directly. We have to guide them.
I mean, if you don't have enough time to guide them, how is it? Because you say that right just now, you need to catch up all the material so that you can finish all, for example, right, from page 22 until 25. So how if some of your students hasn't understood?
Yes. We have to guide them. We have to come to the table and guide them because I have an assistant here, right? So yeah, I have an assistant here, so I can ask them. I can ask my assistant to help me for guide the weak students. But actually, the weak students it should be my duty. But if I cannot handle all, yeah, it should. We have to define our parts.
You will ask for help to your assistant.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, so only that is for this way next week. What sounds?
Yeah, about sounds. Only blah and so it's for sounds practice.
Okay.
The sounds we have 3 days, Monday until Wednesday.
Monday until Wednesday, yeah.
And we have to finish it 1 unit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Every week we have to finish it 1 unit.
So this is 1 unit. 1 unit, how many pages is it? 10?
Around time is around time. Include the activity book also. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so here there is a checkpoint, right? In unit 5. Can you tell me what is it about the checkpoint?
Checkpoint for
the question.
Okay, the little start book.
Yeah.
Actually, in here is the little start book. It's about works in our community. It's about the checkpoint talks about the occupations. Yeah. So we tell to the students what kind of occupations that they can see in this world, and they can tell about their ambitions, what they want to be when they are growing up, like that. So they will. We can introduce what kind of occupations like they can see, like teacher, another teacher. We have firefighter, we have doctor, and another occupations. Like
so there are some pictures, and
there are some pictures also, yeah, and the songs also.
And the songs also.
You
create or
no? In this book, yeah, in the book have applications. It provides the songs and some of story about occupations.
Oh yes. And then you will ask them, what do you want to be?
Yeah, what do you want to be when you grow up, and they can imagine, right? Based on the checkpoint, right? Have LOT, MOT, HOT.
Yes.
If HOT, you can ask them for imagining, like what do you want to be when you grow up, and I have invited to them.
Okay. About this object we use. Like science, yeah.
Yeah, object we use. It's the topic.
Is it in the class?
Yeah, in the class, miss.
I mean the object.
No, of the object we use that, like, this is the topic for Unit 5 in Rainbow Science. So, object
Rainbow, yeah.
Rainbow Science. So, the topic object we use is talk about wood, metal, plastic, like that. So, these are the kind of object that we can use in around us, like, in example, like our keys made of metals, balloons made from
Do you bring the things before you deliver the lesson, right? This is made of wood.
Yes, like we provide the proofs, means in example like pencil, right? We can from the school. So in example like when we talk about something that made from wood, we can provide a pencil. If something made from plastic, we can provide the ruler or plastic or a real plastic, and
the simple only.
Yeah, the simple only to make them
Understand the difference between 3 of these.
Yes.
Okay. So how many example do you give to them? Like made of wood, pencil, and this one, like that. How many examples?
Based on the book, yes. Based on the book.
So as usual, how many examples? More than two?
More than two.
More than two, yeah. Okay, this science here. Okay. How about the picture? The question is, I mean, is it must be related like
In which form of
this
business?
one? I mean, maybe some of them haven't understood right. What is this here? Like that. Yeah, because there's a picture, right? You learn about sounds, but you show here the picture. I mean, what is the relation? And then some of them maybe you don't understand the picture, right?
When we learn sounds based on the book will provide the pictures also, not only for the words. So I believe they will know what is the pictures mean, what is these pictures means, like that is.
Oh yeah. That has been on the book.
Yeah, that has been on the book.
Right. So like bullet like this. That's from the book also.
No, we created. The teachers created. So the students will read right now buys me a new globe. I put my glass there, so they have to know how to choose the right sentence based on the picture. Which one is it, globe or glass, like that? The one is like.
After you explain this one globe and glass, do you give another example like from GL again, or only focus to the
Only focus
question?
for the questions of homophonics. If we make another words, they will blank, right?
They will be confused.
Yeah, they will be confused because too many words. Because they are still in kindergarten, right? So they have to know. They have to focus in one case only. After they are really understood, yeah, we can go to another part. Like that.
Oh, okay. So this is like GL